Spine Media Creatives presents Project Management Methodology. Please like and subscribe for more informative videos. What is Project Management Methodology? The Project Management Methodology is a set of principles and practices that guide you in organizing your projects to ensure their optimum performance. Is it important, but can you afford to not have project management? Without it, what holds the team and client together? And without it, who is left to navigate through the ups and downs, clashes, and catastrophes of projects? A lot of questions. Don't worry, we will discuss different project methodologies. Which project management methodologies should you use? Here are the methodologies you can choose from: Waterfall, Agile, Scrum, Kanban, Scrumban, Extreme Programming XP, Adaptive Project Framework APF, Lean, Six Sigma, Critical Path Method, Critical Chain Project Management, New Product Introduction NPI, Extreme Programming XP Methodology, Adaptive Project Framework APF, Rapid Application Development RAD, and more. But let us discuss the most commonly used. Let's find out what's best for you. The right project management methodology can elevate your project and help the project manager to get the best out of each team. Waterfall methodology. The waterfall system is the most traditional method for managing a project, with team members working linearly towards a set end goal. Each participant has a clearly defined role, and none of the phases or goals are expected to change. Pros and cons. Waterfall project management is less effective for knowledge-based projects, such as computer programming. However, what it lacks in flexibility, it makes up for in replication possibilities. Waterfall workflows can be easily copied for future, similar tasks. Next is Agile methodology. Agile is an iterative approach to project management and software development that helps teams deliver value to their customers faster and with fewer headaches. Pros: flexibility, embracing uncertainty, immediate feedback, less defective products or quality. Cons: lack of documentation, scope creep, time, lack of predictability. Next is Scrum methodology. Scrum project management methodology is a structure used for organizing and managing the moving parts of a project. Pros: the first one is that Scrum teams complete their projects of a much higher quality. The second biggest advantage of using Scrum is that it ensures that Scrum teams operate in the most efficient manner possible. Since Scrum projects do not have a definite timeline and work based on each sprint, projects can get drawn out for longer than they are supposed to. There is no specific final iteration because Scrum is focused on continuous improvement. This can prove to be a disadvantage. But no matter which methodology you go for, you need a collaborative, flexible, and easy-to-use project management tool to support you every step of the way. No matter how you like to work, teamwork helps your team to replicate their best practices, ensure compliance and consistency, and constantly improve their processes. Check out the next videos at Spine Media Creatives YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.